Next, I'll tell you about the latest cutting-edge treatments for lines, wrinkles, stretch marks, and even some dark spots.
Oh, I want to try it. I'm a dark spot.
Let's try. Wow, that's good. EndyMed takes the best of microneedling along
using the EndyMed and its 3D technology.
EndyMed is the newest medical facial administered by a nurse.
I'm a dark spot.
Let's try.
Doctor, give me the news.
As everyone watching knows, there's no shortage of high-tech procedures that promise to take years off your appearance in 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 minutes. Well, there's one new treatment in particular that claims to fix a host of skin issues with no pain or downtime. We enlisted 3 volunteers to put this one to the test.
This procedure, it's really unique in that it's a needling type of process. What it does is a hollow needle gently pierces the skin, and radio frequency energy goes through the needle down to the level of the dermis. It spares the skin, so you don't have peeling, just a little redness. Because the treatment's so gentle, we need a sequence of at least 3 treatments to go ahead and get our optimum results.
During the initial treatment in the room, it was little to no pain. Once the redness disappeared, I noticed an immediate difference in my upper cheekbone area. I'm hoping for the results to minimize the appearance of the scarring on my face.
I've had one treatment done a month ago, and immediately I had great results. No downtime, no redness, and no pain, which was perfect. The deep lines, which is what I'm so concerned about around my mouth, have already greatly diminished.
I'm here because my acne scars really do affect my life. I wear makeup almost every single day because I just feel the need to, and I really want to be free of that obligation. This is my last time. I can't wait.
The experience with this machine has been good so far. I'm excited to see how these particular women do with the results of their treatment.
Facial plastic surgeon Dr. Gregory Keller joins us now, and our volunteers Jill, Tiffany, and Deanna are also here. Ladies, how you feeling?
We feel great.
Good. So, Dr. Keller, if I'm correct, and of course I ask Drew these things backstage all the time, the needling, the concept with needling is these are very small needles that basically it's like aerating your lawn. They penetrate the top layer of the skin, they stimulate blood flow, collagen, and then that's a good thing in terms of our appearance, right?
It is. Actually, they go 3.5 millimeters, which is almost through the skin, without damaging much of the epidermis. It really does make a difference in the healing process. It really shortens it to almost nothing.
So then talk about the results. What do we see?
Ladies.
Well, if we look at Deanna, she has almost an L-shaped scar that's come from the acne, and that's probably improved about 50%. Tiffany's had this all of her life, and you know, that's a shyness. Tiffany's not real shy lately.
And that has always been very difficult to treat, acne scarring.
And Jill, you look amazing.
Thank you. I feel amazing.
And you saw the results pretty quickly, right?
I saw the results right after the first treatment, but then by the time I finished the 3rd treatment, the results have been fabulous.
Thank you, ladies. You look fabulous. We'll be right back.
EndyMed takes the best of microneedling along
using the EndyMed and its 3D technology.
EndyMed is the newest medical facial administered by a nurse.
I'm a dark spot.
Let's try.
Well, I'm back. Summer's the time to show some skin, but if blotches, sags, or double chins have you self-conscious about the skin you're in, we've got the latest beauty breakthroughs from dermatologist and all-around fabulous woman, Dr. Doris Day. Hey, Doc. So good to be back. So, what's going on here?
Oh, I have brought you the best, latest, greatest, cutting-edge, newly FDA-approved treatments because I want you to know there's a very big difference between aging gracefully and aging helplessly.
Right.
And I want you to age gracefully. So we're going to start with something called EndyMed. EndyMed takes the best of microneedling along with radio frequency. This is great for any skin type.
Right.
And it can help with lines, wrinkles, even stretch marks, and some dark spots, too. So when we apply it to the skin, it has these little needles that come through that you can see, and it goes really deep. They're gold-plated, so it really doesn't have a lot of pain. We do numb it before, and not a lot of downtime. So as I do the treatment, you can see It's relatively uncomfortable, and it feels really good on the skin.
Well, she's not jumping.
Beauty hurts, okay?
Well, she's not falling out, so it must be all
it's not
right.
bad.
She's smiling.
And we do this over the whole face and neck in any area that you... EndyMed takes the best of microneedling along...
Using the EndyMed and its 3D technology.
EndyMed is the newest medical facial administered by a nurse.
I'm a dark spot.
Let's try.
Skin tightening, facial rejuvenation, and the ultimate in home pick-me-up.
That really will change the texture of your skin.
Maintain the skin you're in with these free beauty breakthroughs. Dr. Neil Sadik of Sadik Dermatology using the EndyMed and its 3D technology to shrink loose skin from head to toe with no...
Do you have any discomfort at all? Any pain at all?
Not at all.
It has 6 generators that allow you to deliver the heating energy that tightens your body's collagen bundles. You can use it for facial skin tightening. You can treat also stretch marks and acne scarring.
Only 8 treatments to see optimal results.
You get more and more skin tightening that occurs over 6 to 8 months.
EndyMed takes the best of microneedling along...
Using the EndyMed and its 3D technology.
EndyMed is the newest medical facial administered by a nurse.
I'm a dark spot.
Let's try.
We're at the Kate Somerville Clinic in West Hollywood to show you the hottest new way celebs are getting their skin picture perfect for award season. EndyMed is the newest medical facial administered by a nurse, and I'm gonna give it a go, so let's get started. I have Melissa here, who is a nurse practitioner and managing director. How new is this?
It's brand new. It's been on the market, FDA approved for about a year. We're just launching it this month.
So how much does this treatment cost?
So the total treatment for full face and neck is $3,000.
Why is it so expensive?
Well, because it's doing a lot of things. We're working on a deep level and a superficial level. So you are getting more in this treatment than you would for getting something else 5 or 6 treatments. With both treatments, with just the radiofrequency and the microneedling and radiofrequency, you're gonna get tightening of the skin. So this is the radiofrequency one, and this one is going to the deeper collagen. With the microneedling, you're also going to get collagen stimulation and superficial benefits. So it's going to work on pore size, fine lines, even out skin texture and tone. And here we go.
Oh, it scared me. It reminded me a little bit of laser hair removal, but actually less painful.
Now I'm going to put on the mask, and this is going to help cool your skin.
That's it? We're all done?
We're all done.
Okay, I want to see. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. I feel so red carpet ready.
EndyMed takes the best of microneedling along...
Using the EndyMed and its 3D technology.
EndyMed is the newest medical facial administered by a nurse.
I'm a dark spot.
Let's try. It matters who's doing it as much as what you're having done.
Now, what are you doing?
Okay. I know.
Hi, girl. Now, look, you're wearing a bathing suit. Dr. Day?
Right, so
what's going on over
this
here?
is EndyMed Intensive. And what this does, this is great for stretch marks, for deep lines and wrinkles, and for acne scars. I love it for all those treatments, and also in different skin types. So this uses microneedling with radiofrequency energy, and when I press down on it, you can see the needles come up, and they go right into the skin. They cause new collagen formation, collagen contraction, and that can help stretch marks look better and sometimes even disappear.
Do you have a lot of stretch marks? Do you have kids? Let me see.
Yes, I have a daughter, 18-month-old.
Yeah.
The stretch marks are here.
Yeah. I always call them fire. They always look like fire going up.
Right.
I say
and
every woman has
some people are
something.
bothered by them
Yeah.
and won't wear bathing suits, so we just go right onto the stretch mark, and I press down. She feels a little pinch, and I just march along.
It's fine. Compared to having a baby?
Tammy has a great attitude.
Does she have to get numb before this?
I do numbing because I like to be nice. Why
Yes.
should you suffer in your lunchtime?
Yes.
And then she can put a little cover up. She can get right dressed up and go out right afterwards. So this also takes a few treatments.
How much?
But once those stretch marks are treated, they're gone. So, and that can be 4 to 6 treatments.
How much?
That can be about $550 and up again per treatment. It's all about the same price range.
$550 and up per
But
treatment.
we have to go with stretch marks. You have to be careful. We have to say they can be improved. Some go away, but some just get better.
Got you. Well, look, you can buy...
EndyMed takes the best of microneedling along...
Using the EndyMed and its 3D technology.
EndyMed is the newest medical facial administered by a nurse.
I'm a dark spot.
Let's try.
Now there is a non-invasive treatment that is helping women tighten their tummies and even fade those stretch marks.
There is a new procedure that promises to re-sculpt you out of those post-baby body blues.
Here's a look at their 3D machine and how it will banish your cellulite.
They have a deeper penetration and less tissue damage. So that's what makes this machine unique.
Erica started seeing some results about halfway through the 8-week process.
I am happy. I think that my stretch marks look a lot better.
It's not painful. There's no downtime. You can actually do every part of the body. With the radio frequency, we can use it on any color skin, which is a huge advantage.
I actually fell asleep in my first treatment, which is always a good sign. You don't look like you've done anything, but there's a real difference in your skin.
And the great thing with this is it keeps working, because it's natural, it's happening within the body. We're not putting anything in that's artificial here, the body's doing the work itself.
So when we look at the EndyMed, it has 6 generators and 6 currents that are flowing through the skin. When you compare that to the old technology, there's really no comparison.
So that generating the heat, the body actually heals itself and forms new collagen.
It feels great. It's slightly warm, no pain at all.
It has very little discomfort and pain associated with it compared to other fractional technologies. It's not color sensitive. It can be used in any skin phenotype.
These before and after pictures, taken just moments after the first treatment, show a slight change without the typical bruising.
Patients been coming to me for 2 decades saying, I'd like to look more youthful, I'd like to look more contoured, but I don't want surgery.
Right.
So it's kind of the best of both worlds.
There's no pain at all, and it's just warm, and I could just sit here and fall asleep if I wasn't sitting upright.